Hey guys, Brian here. The new issue of the European Financial Forecast is online. We're starting off with the DAX this month. It's been making new all-time highs, but so far those highs are unconfirmed by a lot of indexes, right? Stocks 50, Stock 600, FTSE CAC, nearly all the small cap and mid cap indexes, and unconfirmed by the S&P and the Dow so far at least. Now, granted, all of these indexes are inches from new highs themselves, but I wouldn't say it's a lock that everything is up from here, right? Optimism is extreme, and it's largely based on fundamentals which lag prices. And one of the fundamental reasons that's creating so much optimism is Europe's plan to boost defense spending. The estimates are going up and up, looking at $500 billion over a decade, according to the European Commission. Okay, maybe these spending plans come to fruition, maybe they don't, but investors have bid up defense stocks already, right? The defense indexes both in Britain and on the continent have quadrupled, quintupled, right? Rheinmetall, that's Germany's largest arms manufacturer, up nearly 4,000% in 5 years. And of course, pundits now say that it's time to buy. The problem for the bulls, and we see this all the time, right? Stocks move ahead of fundamentals, and defense stocks are way out in front of any potential jump in the budget. If these spending plans fail to materialize, or really at this point, even if spending undershoots projections, these stocks are going to be hugely vulnerable. Now, the last thing I want to point out, the ECB puts out a review of financial stability every month. The May review talked a lot about trade frictions and tariffs and said these things are weighing on the outlook for financial stability. The interesting thing is that when you put all these kinds of liquidity gauges and bond spreads together, financial conditions are close to the best they've ever been. This has really been an era of easy money. It's historically unprecedented. You may think, well, okay, that's a great environment for stocks, a great environment for asset values. But you have to realize that all of history's biggest bear markets also began in these environments of easy money. There's this idea that some outside event comes along and creates a bear market. But what really happens is that stocks just quietly make a top when no one's looking and everything looks great. So the time to be careful, it's precisely when financial conditions look wonderful, and that is clearly the situation today. So thanks for watching, enjoy the issue, and I will see you in the next video.